If you're seeing Gmail error 2002, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest way to fix it step by step. This error is often caused by browser extensions, corrupted cache, or cookies that stop Gmail from loading properly. The good news is that in most cases, you can solve it in just a few minutes without changing anything in your account. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open an incognito or private browsing window in your browser. On Chrome, you can do this by clicking the three dots in the top right and choosing New Incognito Window. On other browsers, look for a private browsing option. Once the private window opens, go to Gmail and sign in as you normally would. The reason we test Gmail in incognito first is because private mode usually disables most extensions by default. If Gmail loads normally here, that's a big clue that one of your extensions is causing the error. Now, if Gmail works in incognito, the next step is to disable your browser extensions one by one. In Chrome, type chrome://extensions into the address bar and press enter. You'll see a list of all installed extensions. Start turning them off one at a time, especially anything related to ad blocking, privacy protection, email tracking, or security tools. After disabling one extension, go back and test Gmail again. This process helps you identify exactly which extension is interfering with Gmail. Once you find the culprit, you can leave it disabled or remove it completely. If Gmail still gives you trouble, the next fix is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, old or corrupted browser data can create loading problems like error 2002. To clear it in Chrome, click the three dots, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to select cookies and other site data, plus cached images and files. If you want, you can also change the time range to all time for the cleanest reset. Then click Clear Data and wait for the process to finish. After that, close your browser completely and reopen it. Go back to Gmail and log in again. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem because Gmail is now starting fresh without broken temporary data or conflicting extension settings. If the issue is still there after that, try combining the steps. Use incognito again, confirm whether the problem is extension related, and then clear cache and cookies if needed. These three steps solve the majority of Gmail error 2002 cases and are usually the fastest way to get back into your inbox. So to recap, first test Gmail in incognito mode, then disable browser extensions one by one if that works, and finally clear your cache and cookies before logging in again. That should get Gmail working normally again. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.